Tuesday. I'm going into work, even though it's my day off. I'm going to do a few jobs and then we're going to take Mickey, this lad, on a good big walk. Mickey stinks, so we have to keep the windows down in the van. It absolutely stinks like mad in here. Look at him. Even Mickey's got the window open, it's that bad. Oh no, Mickey's going over a wall. Where are you going? Where were you going? Were you going over a wall? Ah, Mickey's got a bridge to cross. Cross the bridge. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Mickey. Come on. Come on, man. What a hassle. Mickey.